Good morning, this is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of payment voucher in multiple mode. Last video I explained the creation of voucher in single mode. Now I am going to explain the creation of voucher in multiple mode. So first I have to open the Tally software. See, already JP company is there. There I have to go to the accounting voucher, F5 for payment voucher. The shortcut key for payment voucher is F5. Here only single mode. Single mode in the sense I will get only particulars and amount. If you want to go for multiple mode means you have to go to the F12 configuration, means making of one column to two column. We have to go to the use single entry mode for payment or receipt or contra. No. Another one, use debit or credit instead of to or by during entry. Yes. Means we have to make it changes. First we have to go to the use single entry mode for payment or receipt or contra. No. Another one, use debit or credit instead of to or by during entry. Yes. Okay. Now you will get two columns. One is for debit and credit. First here already I created whatever the expenses like commission paid, salary paid, rent paid, dividend paid, discount paid, all the expenses I can find out. Commission paid 25,000, debit, salary paid, credit, debit, interest paid, rent paid, to cash first. Means being above expenses paid through cash. Being above expenses paid through cash. Okay. Now if above expenses paid through check means you can go for same thing, commission paid, debit, salary paid, debit, interest paid, debit, we can go for dividend paid through cash. Cash already given, so you can take it as SBM through the check. Here you can take instrument number means check number, being above expenses paid through check. Being above expenses paid through check. Okay, so this is the creation of payment voucher in multiple mode. Okay, now if you want to alter, again you have to go to the same procedure, display. Here you will find daybook. Here whatever the voucher we have done, all the vouchers you can find out. If you want to alter means if you want to change the numbers, you can change it. Okay, so this is nothing but alteration. If you want to delete, select it, which one you want to delete, Alt D. Okay, whatever the option you are going to delete, it should be on screen and press delete. Yes. Okay, so this is the creation of payment voucher in multiple mode. Okay, multiple mode and alteration and deletion. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.